Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make an omelet without yellow. First, you'll need to carefully separate the egg whites from the yolks. We're only using the clear whites for this recipe, so make sure no yellow gets in. Next, prepare your non-stick pan by spraying it lightly with cooking spray. This ensures your omelet won't stick, making it easy to flip and serve. Now, place your prepared non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once it's warm, pour in your separated egg whites. Let them cook undisturbed. You'll notice the edges starting to set and become firm. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. The center should still be a little runny, which is perfect for the next step. Once the edges are set, it's time to add your favorite fillings. Place them on one half of the omelet. Think about cheese, spinach, or diced ham. Then, using a spatula, gently fold the other half over the fillings. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, allowing the fillings to warm through and the omelet to finish setting. Your delicious, yellow-free omelet is now ready. Carefully slide it from the pan onto a plate. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh chives or parsley. It's a light and tasty meal perfect for any time of day. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.